2003 AP Release Exam AB 86, calculator allowed. The base of solid is the region of the first quadrant bounded by the y-axis, the graph of y equals the inverse tangent of x. That's an interesting function there. You don't see it a lot. The horizontal line, y equals 3, and the vertical line, x equals 1. For this solid, each cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is a square. What is the line of the solid? So this inverse tan is really not a very common function, and for that reason it's going to be tough to do something like this without a use of a calculator. But I think we're going to x equals 1, the line y equals 3, x plus 3, so we're going to have this kind of, okay, that's y equals 3. So let's go take a look at it in the calculator. We'll graph this, get a page. We say, okay, add graph. We are in radians. So we will say inverse tangent of x. See what that looks like. So we have that. We have the line y equals 3. So we can put that in there as well. So we're talking about this shape here. And we have this lavender one right here. So you're going to have a function that looks something like this. Here's our inverse tangent one. Comes up like this. So it's going to be y . And then we have this up here, and we have the line x equals 1. So I'm drawing that. So a lot of things here going on. X equals 1. So we're talking about this shape right here that I'm hashing in green. And so you're using a square, so we have the formula for area of square, A equals S squared. And so we're going between x equals 0 and 1. So let's go ahead and put that in place. We go between 0 and 1, and we have our outer diameter, which is 3, and we have minus inverse tangent x, and all important, we are squaring, right? We have s squared, so this is the side of the square that we have here in parentheses, so we're going to square that and dx. So now we go to our calculator, get a calculator page, and we use our hotkey shift plus sign. We're going between x equals 0 and x equals 1. We're going to come and get this open parentheses here, 3 minus inverse tangent of x, and we're going to square the outside of this guy, and I think that will handle it, and we go all the way to dx. There we are. 6.61233. Which is going to be closest to our answer choice, B. Again, it'll be really hard for me to do this without using a calculator, at least to make that graph, to see what's going on, of course, to make the final calculation as well. So this is a nice little problem. Good luck on this and on your other problems, and thanks for viewing.